Which is included in the 3E of audit? A. Effectiveness. B. Efficiency. C. Economy. D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. Interpretation of law is A. Judicial function. B. Quasi-judicial function. C. Non-judicial function. D. Civil function. Answer A. Judicial function. In the direction regulating in the exhibition of recoveries of expenditure in government accounts, which article do include A. 72 to 77, B. 55 to 71, C. 79 to 82, D. 83 to 85. Answer A. 72 to 77. Dash fund is regularly constituted for the redemption of loans raised by the government. A. General purpose fund. B. Redemption fund. C. Sinking fund. D. Capital fund. Answer C. Sinking fund. Dash with the approval of the President is the authority to determine the classification of any transactions in government account. A. C and AG. B. Finance Minister. C. Prime Minister. D. Speaker. Answer A. C and AG. In the main purpose of journal and ledger is to bring out by scientific method the balance of accounts in regard to which government act as A. Banker only, B. Remitter only, C. Borrower only, D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. In the executive power of a state vests in the governor who is appointed by A. President, B. Prime Minister, C. Chief Justice of Supreme Court, D. None of the above. Answer A. President. In the article dash of KSC Volume 1 describes the inevitable losses of the working of a particular department. A. 62, B. 80, C. 84, D. 85. Answer C. 84. In Article 31, classification of pay and allowances other than dash of government servant shall be governed. A. Transist pay, B. Charge allowance, C. Uniform allowance, D. Travelling allowance. Answer D. Travelling allowance. The amounts written off by AG should be reported to Controller and Auditor General of India by A. 10th March, B. 10th April, C. 10th October, D. 10th November. Answer D. 10th November. Who control all activities connected with the audit accounts? A. Prime Minister, B. Parliament, C. Controller and Auditor General, D. President of India. Answer C. Controller and Auditor General. Small savings are accounted under A. Capital receipts, B. Public account, C. Revenue receipts, D. Loans and advances. Answer B. Public account. In the issue from stores are priced A. From the bills, B. At a book average rate, C. At a subsidized rate, D. None of the above. Answer B. At a book average rate. Advances of pay and travelling allowance of transfer should be debited to A. Civil advances, B. Contingency advances, C. Final head of account, D. Miscellaneous advance. Answer C. Final head of account. Cash balances held in treasuries of central government from part of the A. Consolidated fund only, B. Contingency fund only, C. Public account only, D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. Any loss of cash due to acceptance of counterfeit coins or notes should be debited under the head A. Special advance, B. Advance repayable, C. Losses of government, D. None of the above. Answer B. Advance repayable. Under the codification, the major heads on revenue account are assigned the consecutive serial number from A 20 to 1999, B 2011 to 3999, C 6001 to 6010, D 6011 to 7999. Answer A 20 to 1999. Recoveries by one government from another is described in Article dash of KSC Volume 1. A 75, B 76, C 73, D 74. Answer D 74. Of the following, which one account is not being maintained by the Accountant General? A. Railways, B. Foreign Service, C. Parliament, D. State Government. Answer A. Railways. Net gain or loss by exchange in respect of government transactions taking place in embassies shall be adjusted under the head A. Civil advances, B. Miscellaneous general services, C. Foreign services, D. None of the above. Answer B. Miscellaneous general services. In the cost of additional police guards supplied to an irrigation project may be debited to the A. Police Department, B. General Administration, C. Project concerned, D. PWD. Answer C. Project concerned. In the government of Dash have not so far entered into agreement with the RBI for the conduct of their general banking business. A. Kerala, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Bihar, D. Jammu and Kashmir. Answer D. Jammu and Kashmir. General principles and method of accounts of the cost of survey of India and other scientific parties accompanying a military expenditure is described in Article dash of KSC Volume 1. A. 38, B. 40, C. 39, D. 41. Answer D. 41. Annual financial statement is known as A. Consolidated fund, B. Public account, C. Budget, D. Receipts and payment statement. Answer C. Budget. As per Article 46, losses of public money, stores or other property of government shall be accounted for in accordance with the rules in Chapter A. 5, B. 6, C. 1, D. 2. Answer B. 6. In the President is elected by members of A. Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, B. Both houses of Parliament and legislative assemblies of various states, C. Lok Sabha and legislative assemblies of various states, D. None of the above. Answer B. Both House of Parliament and legislative assemblies of various states. The Kerala account code is issued in dash volumes. A. Single, B. 2, C. 3, D. 4. Answer C. 3. The one that is not part of government accounts, A. Consolidated fund, B. Contingency fund, C. Cash account, D. Public account. Answer C. Cash account. In the administrative expenses of the governor's personal office shall be charged upon A. Consolidated fund, B. Contingency fund, C. Public account, D. Sinking fund. Answer A. Consolidated fund. The source from which accounts along with the supporting documents flow to AG, A. District treasuries only, B. Pay and accounts officers of state government only, C. Interstate suspense accounts from other AG only, D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. In the expression charged or voted shall be appended to the heads concerned to distinguish in the dash categories of the expenditure. A. Single, B. 2, C. 3, D. 4. Answer B. 2. Appropriation bill passed by the legislature becomes A. Appropriation Act, B. Budget, C. Finance Act, D. Legislature Act. Answer A. Appropriation Act. In Kerala, performa accounts are maintained in A. Textbook department only, B. Model care factory only, C. State water transport department only, D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. The masses of the government accounts being on cash basis is kept on A. Single entry system, B. Double entry system, C. Zero balance system, D. None of the above. Answer A. Single entry system. Interest paid by government on loans is taken initially under the head A. Collection charges, B. Miscellaneous charges, C. Other administrative services, D. Interest payment. Answer D. Interest payment. Who keeps the account of a state? A. Accountant General, B. Finance Department, C. Chief Minister's Office, D. Finance Secretary. Answer A. Accountant General. List of laborers employed daily in work is called A. Muster roll, B. Measurement book, C. Cash book, D. List of payment. Answer A. Muster roll. Outstanding feature of democracy is accountability of administration to the A. Cabinet, B. Legislature, C. Judiciary, D. Executive. Answer B. Legislature. Every union territory is administered through A. CAG, B. Chief Secretary, C. Prime Minister, D. President of India. Answer D. President of India. New service expenditure is A. Not contemplated in budget, B. Contemplated in budget, C. New service appointment, D. Regular expenditure. Answer A. Not contemplated in budget. Washing allowance paid to class 4 government servant shall be classified under A. Salaries, B. 2TA, C. Office expenses, D. None of the above. Answer A. Salaries. The word audit is derived from earlier, which means A. To examine, B. To control, C. To look, D. To hear. Answer D. To hear. Expenditure on a temporary asset cannot ordinarily be considered as expenditure of A. Revenue nature, B. Capital nature, C. Loans and advances, D. None of the above. Answer B. Capital nature. The rules relating to the exhibition of losses in the appropriation accounts are contained in the instructions issued by A. C&AG, B. Governor, C. Parliament, D. Prime Minister. Answer A. C&AG. All the rules and standing orders of a financial character issued by state government are scrutinized by A. Finance Department, B. Finance Minister, C. Accountant General, D. Governor. Answer C. Accountant General. If a claim is relinquished, the value of the claim shall not be recorded in the A. Receipt side, B. Expenditure side, C. Capital receipt side, D. None of the above. Answer B. Expenditure side. C&AG shall only be removed from the office in like manner and like ground as A. Chief Minister of a state, B. Central Minister of Finance, C. Judge of Supreme Court, D. None of the above. Answer C. Judge of Supreme Court. Annual General Financial Statement C&AG proposes for the period A. 1st January to 31st December, B. 1st April to 31st March, C. 1st September to 31st August, D. 1st October to 13th September. Answer B. 1st April to 31st March. Within each of the divisions of accounts mentioned in Article 24, grouped into sectors in the following, which is the wrong sector: A. Capital service, B. General service, C. Social and community services, D. Economic services. Answer A. Capital service. Charges of remuneration to examiners are accounted under A. Salaries, B. Travel expenses, C. Professional and special services, D. Rent rate and taxes. Answer C. Professional and special services. For the purposes of interdepartmental payment in the departments of government shall be divided into A 3, B 2, C 4, D 5. Answer B 2. Issue rate of an article is fixed A half yearly, B quarterly, C at the beginning of the year, D none of these. Answer C at the beginning of the year. The acceptance of counterfeit coins or notes shall be regarded as A. Revenue receipt, B. Revenue expenditure, C. Reduction in expenditure, D. Loss of cash. Answer D. Loss of cash.